How to build an excellent credit score fast, US guide. If your credit score is holding you back from getting approved for a home, a car, or even a job, this could be the most important video you watch today. Because right now, we're breaking down exactly how to build an excellent credit score fast, using proven strategies that actually work in the US in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or recovering from past mistakes, this step-by-step guide will show you how to take control of your credit and change your financial future. Let's get into it. Step 1. Know your numbers. Before you can improve anything, you need to know where you stand. Your credit score is made up of 5 key factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, new credit inquiries. The most important, payment history and credit utilization, they make up over 65% of your score combined. So, pull your latest credit report. You can access one free report per year from each major bureau. Look for late payments, high balances, or any errors. Knowing your numbers is your starting line. And now, let's start sprinting. Step 2. Open a starter credit line. Even with bad credit, if you have poor or no credit, you need to establish a positive history fast. Here's how. Open a secure credit card or become an authorized user on someone else's account with a good score. A secure card works just like a regular one, but you deposit a small amount, say $200 as collateral. The key is to use it regularly, but keep your balance under 10% of your limit. Why 10%? Because credit utilization below 30% is good, but under 10% is excellent. This tells lenders you're responsible, consistent, and low risk. And if you're an authorized user on a solid account, their good history gets added to your credit file, boosting your score without lifting a finger. Step 3. Pay everything on time, no exceptions. Sounds obvious, right? But here's the deal. One late payment can drop your score by 90 to 110 points. Even being 30 days late is a big hit, and it can stay on your record for 7 years. So set up automatic payments, use reminders, do whatever it takes to never miss a due date again. And remember, this applies to more than just credit cards, cell phone bills, utility accounts, car loans, student loans. If it's tied to your name, it can affect your score. Consistency is everything. Step 4. Ask for credit limit increases without spending more. Here's a sneaky but powerful trick. Increase your available credit without increasing your debt. If you've had a car for more than 6 months and you've made on-time payments, you can often request a credit limit increase with no hard inquiry. Say your limit is $1,000 by us, you request an increase to $2,000. Now, even if your spending stays at $200, your utilization just dropped from 20 to 10%. That's an instant score boost. Don't raise your spending. The goal is higher limits, not higher balances. Step 5. Don't close old accounts. Even if you're not using them, keep older accounts open, especially if they have no annual fee. Why? Because length of credit history matters. The longer your accounts stay open, the more it helps your score. Closing an old account can shrink your average credit age and reduce your available credit, hurting your utilization ratio. Unless the card is costing you money or causing temptation, leave it open and let it work in the background. Step 6. Dispute errors and inaccuracies. 1 in 5 Americans has a mistake on their credit report. That could be a late payment that wasn't late, a duplicate account, or even identity theft. Review your report line by line. If something looks off, dispute it immediately with the credit bureau. They legally have 30 days to investigate. Fixing just one error could raise your score by 50 points or more, sometimes overnight. Building excellent credit isn't about being rich. It's about being smart, consistent, and knowing how the system works. Start small, stay disciplined, and over time you'll unlock better interest rates, faster approvals, and real financial freedom. If this helped clear up your credit confusion, drop a like and share your experience in the comments. Let's help more people get the credit scores they deserve.